I'm Hot Boy. Unless you already know it. A couple of you do. So, we're back together now. Now I'm jumping it out. I took the motor off and cleaned it. Now positive on it and the negative on the frame. Keys on. Runs on. No battery. That's basically what it's doing. It just cuts off and I have it on. Now I'll turn off again. Try again. It takes a little time. But you see the hair breather, it's like a control at a random time. Can't see it, then it doesn't try anymore. Watching random mode, just try, but it won't do anything. Know what it is, just hit me up.